In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a checkbox or switch in Glide. To start, open the app in Glide where you want to implement this feature. Once inside, navigate to the data section and prepare the table where the checkbox or switch will be applied. Begin by adding a new column by clicking on the plus icon. Assign a name to this column, then from the Type drop-down, select Boolean. Click Save, and your table will now support Boolean values, which will be displayed as checkboxes. After preparing your data, go to the Layout section of your app. From the left-hand Components menu, click the plus icon, then search for the table component and add it to your layout. On the right-hand side, under the Source drop-down, select the correct table. Review the columns in the table component, remove any unnecessary ones, and ensure that the names match your data correctly. Once this setup is complete, your table will display with all necessary columns. Click on the first item in your table to open its detail view. From the left-hand menu, click the plus icon again, search for checkbox, and add it. From the right-hand side menu, assign this component to the column you previously created with the Boolean data type. You also have the option to display it either as a checkbox or as a switch toggle. Once added, interacting with the checkbox or switch will update the corresponding field in the table. Checking the box or turning on the switch will automatically mark the item as complete, and this change will propagate across other items as needed. And this is how you can add a checkbox or switch in Glide.